How to calculate age using your date of birth in Excel. Welcome to this video tutorial offers a step-by-step guide on how to calculate age using your date of birth in Excel. You will be able to find out the exact number of years that passed from a date of birth until now. It's easier than you might think. Let's take a look. Here we are to make sure you are able to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Thanks to our stable video tutorials. How to use function datedif. The most suitable function to calculate age in Excel is the function datedif. Before you use the function, make sure the data table is formatted properly. The cells with date must be formatted as date, and the cells to display the calculated age need to be formatted as number. Select the cell to display the result, enter the equal sign, and right after datedif. Now to need the enter three details. The first one is date of birth, so click in the cell B3 and then a comma, and action now needs today's date. How to combine datedif and today's function in Excel. This can be easily entered as today function. Type in today and carry on by adding the opening and the closing bracket. This command will ensure that Excel will always use the current date for its calculations, making the result always up to date. If you need to use any other date than the current one, you can use a separate cell to store this information and refer to the cell in the formula, just like we did with date of birth. Since we want to use the current date, we will have leave the function today in the formula and move on to the next step. Add another comma and carry on typing Y in quotation marks for year. To find out the exact number of completed years that passed between the date of birth and today's date. Now just close the bracket and hit enter. Good job. How can simply be the function used in the other rows in Excel. The function can be used to calculate years in the other rows too. Simply copy the formula and paste, or you can drop down. That's all. Each row now contains the calculated age as the number of completed years that passed between the date of birth and today. Check out the link in the description below to find out more videos. If you found this video tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time? We will be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.